Today I'll teach you guys how you guys can change your email on Spotify. So you cannot do this through the app of Spotify, you need to go to the browser. So open up your phone's browser and just search for spotify.com. Once you go to spotify.com, it's going to ask you to log in into your account. And once you log in into your account, it's going to show you a little setting icon at the top right corner. Click on the setting icon and click on where it says view account. Once you're inside the view account page, you can see the option called edit profile. Click on edit profile. From over here, it's going to show you the email which is currently registered on your Spotify. Click on it and remove the current email. After you remove the current email, enter the new email which you want. And once you enter your email, enter the password of your account to confirm the change. Once you enter the password, scroll a bit down, click on save profile. Once you click on save profile, basically your changes will be saved just like this. And my new email has been registered on my Spotify just like that. So that is how we guys can change your Spotify email. Hit the subscribe to our channel how to guide for future videos like this. I'll see you guys next time.